just want to say thank you guys so much for showing me so much support and love in the comment section. And also, I love all the positive feedback I've been getting from you guys about my edits, because I put so much work and time into putting these videos together. So now I'm working on being more consistent on here, as well as talking on here. Yeah, so with that being said, I will be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing how I define my curls. And to start off, I already combed my hair through. I used a wide tooth comb. Don't use a rat tooth comb or combs with, you know, smaller teeth, because that's a no-no if you're natural. So yeah, I already combed my hair throughout my head. And ignore the planet I have on my face. Like, that's a scar from a zit I had over a week ago. So I already combed my hair out. I did get a haircut back in October. I had a tapered cut. So yeah, I do miss that haircut, but at the same time, I'm trying to grow my hair out. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and get started with the tutorial. The first product I'm gonna be using is this Cantu coconut curling cream. It's for natural hair. You know, all my black folks, y'all know about this. Everyone and their aunties and sisters use this if they're natural. And I'm just going to disperse that evenly throughout my head. Next, I'm going to be using this sponge. So I always use the flat side, and then I switch over to the jagged side to define the curls. I have 4C and 4B hair texture. Some parts of my hair are a little more defined with the curls, and then for the most part, like most of my hair texture is 4C. So I'm just gonna sponge the hair. Oh wait, I almost forgot. I need some water, so I'm just gonna spray my hair. You don't want it soaking wet, just damp. And I also like to spray the sponge a little bit. See how much definition is in here? Can't really see it that much unless I go outside. Then you can see the curl pattern, how defined it became. And I'm still using the flat side. To seal everything, and I'm going to be using this Argan Oil of Morocco by Organics. And I love their hair oils, so I'm just gonna spray that in. I'm almost done with it. Like, there's barely any left. So for my edges, I like to use the Eco Styler gel. I don't like using this gel all over my hair because it's very drying and it's just gonna be a flaky mess. If you have kinky hair like 4C, 4B hair, don't use this gel all over your hair. Just use it for edges. This is a great edge control though. For natural hair, it actually holds the hair in place. Because those other edge controls that I've tried, they don't hold the hair in place like Eco Styler gel, like ORS edge control. That one is trash. Like those other ones, horrible. But this is a great edge control. So like for my edges, I like to wet my edges first. So I'm gonna take some water from my spray bottle and wet them, and then I apply the gel. And I like to use a rat tooth comb to really, like, you know, swoop. Now I'm gonna just tie my hair to lay my edges. This for... I'm just gonna set it for like a minute. So these are the finished results. Luckily my edges didn't come out like some Omarion edges from like back in the day, or Roger from Sister Sister. That's what I was worried about. But I like my edges to look natural. I don't like the dramatic edges because that can look kind of crazy. Like some people put their edges on their forehead, and yeah, I have sensitive skin, so I can't do that. That would break my face out. I feel like that's kind of doing too much, putting edges on your forehead, but you know, to each their own. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.